The 1000 power supply units were developed especially to fuel these power-hungry PCs. There are many products available to choose 1000 power supply, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best 1000 power supply from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Seasonic Prime 1000 Titanium SSR. The Seasonic Prime SSR 1000 TR 1000 power supply unit has a micro-tolerance load regulation feature. It helps regulate the output voltage under 0.5% to keep the PSU stable at high performance conditions, to further improve the performance without wasting power. This unit comes with 80+ titanium certifications. The PSU shows an efficiency of 90% at 100% load. Being a fully modular unit, it becomes easy to manage the cables connected to this PSU. A hybrid fan is installed inside the SU's body as part of the cooling system. Whenever heat goes beyond a set limit, this fan creates a forced circulation to force the heat out of the SU's body. The ADX form factor makes it compatible with installation in tight spaces. It features ADX 12V and EPS 12V connectors to easily connect the CPU and other components with the PSU. Number 2. Thermaltake Tough Power GF3 1000W. The Thermaltake Tough Power GF3 1000W power supply unit is compatible with Intel ADX 3.0 standard. As a result, a separate PCIe Gen 5.0 VHPWR connector can be used to power the GPU. This PSU uses a 100% Japanese capacitor rated for 105 degrees Celsius to keep the converted DC power stable. Being a modular unit, this PSU can be installed without creating messy cable connections. Speaking about power conversion, this unit is certified with 80+ gold level. At a 100% loading condition, this power supply unit will efficiently convert 87% of the input power. The cooling system contains a fan that forces cooling air around the heated part. This helps in keeping the temperature of the PSU under control. Number 3. Be Quiet Straight Power 11 Platinum 1000W. The Be Quiet Straight Power 11 BN 644 1000W power supply unit is one of the most efficient SUs on the list. It is certified with 80+ platinum level for a maximum efficiency of 94.1%. It uses LLC and SR technology to keep the power signal stable. The DC-DC conversion checks voltage regulation to deliver enough power to all components. Being a modular unit, the installation of this PSU leaves more escape for air circulation and cleaning activities. With the help of 24-pin ADX, 8-pin EPS, 8-pin SE, SATA, and 8-pin CPU connectors, each component is connected to the PSU. To enhance the reliability and durability of this unit, it is fitted with a Japanese capacitor rated for 105 degrees Celsius. A 135 mm fan silently works to cool down the heated surfaces of this PSU. Number 4. AGT Series ADX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 1000W power supply. The Aeros AGT Series 1000W power supply unit is a budget-oriented option. This PSU is certified with 80+ gold level to deliver efficiency of 90%. With the help of AVIFGAN LLC technology, the power conversion and supply are handled. The DC-DC conversion further helps in the delivery of a stable power supply to all the connected components. Being fully modular, this PSU helps in keeping the cables away from creating a mess. For easy access to other components, it supports VGA card with PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connector. The cooling system consists of a fan circling fresh air into the PSU body. With a compact size, this unit blends with all components. The PSU has an added layer of safety and protection features like OP, SCP, etc. Number 5. GameMax 1050W ADX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 power supply. GameMax makes gaming gear loved by gamers for its advanced tech and cool looks. In this context of finding the best SUs for high-powered PCs, its RGB 1050 is quite impressive. It's all about top performance and style. This power supply unit PSU is 80+ gold certified, meaning it's super efficient, hitting up to 90% peak efficiency. Using fancy LLC and DC-DC tech, it turns AC power into usable DC power, keeping your system running smoothly. Plus, it's got all the connectors you need for your components, neatly arranged. And let's talk looks. The RGB lights on this PSU are customizable with software, syncing up with your motherboard lights to create 25 different patterns. And to keep things cool, there's a quiet 140 fan with a special hydraulic bearing. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.